You ready?
I was born ready.
Pretty good, huh?
Please, we are just getting started.
Every time.
Jax, can you do this? Jax, can you do that? Jax, can you move it here? Jax. Oh, Jax. Jax.
More?
Yeah.
I gotta tell you, I am beat.
Nice work, Jax.
Yeah, not too shabby. Jax, where did you find that?
Oh, legendrewards.com.
Ooh, did you get your free 1,000 points when you signed up?
Yep.
I heard they have over 14 million items in the catalog. Vacations, event tickets, even a uniquely yours section. Let me guess, that's where you found that?
Oh, this isn't for me.
Who's it for?
You two.
What?
Who else is gonna wash the van?
Have you ever?
No.
I've never washed a van
I just go
before.
to the car wash.
What? You take a van in the car wash?
No, I've never washed a van, silly. My car.
Legend Brands.
I love to clean vans. Oh, I do. I love to clean vans.
Wax on, wax off. Not allowed to do that. Yes!